So folks, if you saw the servicing video and repairs, this is a Team Euro8000 80 channel base station. It's the only 80 channel base station to ever appear on the UK market, and it's been quite a lot of a faff to get going, and let's see how it works. I've not heard anybody on it yet. It's not the brilliantest sensitivity on the world, but for people who like Uniden radios, it's on a par with that. So we're on UK, and these are 1997-ish. Let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger on that. I'll just plug in my extension speaker.
Roger that, you're very quiet.
How disappointing.
Roger, well, I can hear you, but continuing a bit quiet.
Just while you're there, I'm going to plug in the Midland mic.
Yeah, Roger.
Right, now on a Midland mic instead of the standard replacement mic.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, we'll run with that for now. Deviation maximum is 2 on these.
Alright, fair enough. Right, I'm ready when you are.
Roger, I'll just put this extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I don't even know where. Well, I finally found the socket.
Roger.
Okay, off we go.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger that.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that, we're running a bit late.
Right, almost square wheeled, but not quite. We're now going through Ancaster Crossroad.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroad.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I'll get you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I'll got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I am on the team Euro8000 80-channel base station, 1999, PR27 TV approved. I'm using the Midland microphone, not a Ranch original, so we've got one, as long as that's replacement. We can try to work out very well.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're square wheeled at Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Oh, right. You'll probably get square wheels for the next one.
I wouldn't have thought so. We're do the 5 mile point, so it's not going to tally, is it?
Good point.
Plus the train's coming this way, as in towards Ancaster. Oh, some viewers might like to know it's the steel train.
Steel train, good.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Looks like you're going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Very, very wet out here today.
Again,
It's very, very wet out here today.
you know, making wet noises.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Looking at you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Team Euro 8000, seeing 4 watt output. It's on its own power supply, so I can't see what the current is, but I think it was something like, it was only something like 1.3 amps. It wasn't too scary. We're on this Midland microphone because it seems to suit it better than the standard replacement. We haven't got the team microphone to try it with, but this radio does have CEPT, and so if we go over to CEPT FM.
Yep, Roger, see you there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yep, Roger, loud and clear.
No problem at all, back to UK.
Roger.
Back on UK, over.
Yep, still reading you.
Okay, have you going ready?
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over. 137.9, 144.7.
Right, we're fine from this end, so thank you very much.
Yep, Roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a special price today at that end, please, over?
137.9, 144.7.
Right, worked fine from this end, so thank you very much.
Yep, roger that,
10-10. Well, despite my misgivings on squelch sensitivity, that worked absolutely fine. One day we'll find a team microphone. It's always possible that one coming in from Trucking and Farming next week or so we'll have one, and we'll be able to hear one as it's supposed to be heard. So I've got another 2 of these base stations which I've bought over the years, and they're so far from working. Both were incomplete when I bought them, and I think I paid £95 for one and £75 for the other. So, you know, it wasn't like they were free. It's alright people going, yeah, there was one on a car boot for a £5, but I wasn't there, was I? So there we go, the Team Euro 8000. We'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and we see what it sounds like on that Midland mic. But I'm also going to plug in the standard replacement mic because I want to hear what it sounds like. We're going to have a little bit of fun here. I've put both base stations on, and of course they have totally different tonal qualities. That Uniden one on top of my Midland is a bit tinny, and we're also on a little mag mount aerial with that, whereas the others on a different aerial. So, you know, we'll find out. Never done this, just do it for a laugh. And we'll do CEPT, and when we do the UK one, we'll try it with both mics.
Tango 21, testing the Team Euro 8000 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's on our Midland mic. Going to swap to the standard replacement. And testing with the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go back to the Midland mic. And here we are back on the Midland mic. Now we'll go to CEPT. And here we are on CEPT channels. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So tomorrow, I know we've got 1 or 2 sets come in, and one of them is a DNT, but don't ask me what's next. So thank you for watching the Team Euro